In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seats in Pipedrive. This is really useful if your team is growing and you need to give more people access to your Pipedrive account. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. We're not changing any settings outside of billing, so everything we do will be safe and reversible as long as you review your changes before confirming. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account and heading to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small profile image. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Billing. Go ahead and select Billing to open your account's billing and subscription page. This is where Pipedrive keeps all the information related to your plan, payments, and seat management. Once the billing page loads, find the section or button that says Manage Subscription. This is the main area where you can make changes to your current plan. Click Manage Subscription to move into the subscription settings. If you ever feel unsure, just remember that you won't be charged immediately for simply opening this section. Charges only apply after you confirm your changes. Inside the subscription management view, look for the option called Team Size. This is where Pipedrive lets you control how many seats or user licenses you have on your account. Click on Team Size, and you should see your current number of seats, along with controls to increase or decrease that number. Now, adjust the seat count to match the number of people you want to add to your Pipedrive workspace. Take a moment here to double-check your numbers, especially if you're working with a budget or a larger team. Once you've set the desired seat count, select Review Purchase. On the review screen, Pipedrive will show you a summary of what you're changing, including the new number of seats and the updated pricing. Read through this carefully to make sure everything looks correct. If the details match what you want, go ahead and click Confirm Purchase. After you confirm, Pipedrive will process the update and your new seats will be added to your account. You can then assign these seats to new team members as needed, and that's all it takes to add seats in Pipedrive.